1 minute and 32 seconds remaining time for the loss in the final quarter. First free throw by Jesmar Valencia doesn't work. 53-51 score. 2 puntos lamang po yung kalamangan. Nasa 2 points na kasalukuyan yung kalamangan itong nasa team. Mainit Bullers laban nga sa team ng mga taga-barangay sa Lugon Pino. First free throw, no good by Jesmar Valencia. Last in the final free throw by Jesmar Valencia. Good for 1 point. Isa na lamang yung kalamangan. 53-52 score. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go for this last in the final frame. Magandang laban. Walang kukurap, walang gagalaw. Pero huwag niyong kalimutang huminga dahil 1 minuto pang mahigit yung natitira. A minute and 20 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 10. May tanang buko. Consimino ang paplano para sa team ng Mainit Bullers. Nakalusot! Consimino! What a nice drive. Nasimpleng drive lamang ni Consimino mula sa gawing kanan. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. 55 against 51. 4 puntos. Jesmar Valencia inside. At shot! Hindi na naman! A very good defensive stop there for team ng Barangay Mainit Bullers. Nagbubunyi na itong mga taga Barangay Mainit Bullers sa kanilang paglamang. 55-51. 51 against 55, 1 minute and 2 seconds to go. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Next game natin, magiging mainit na bakbakan din po yung Distrito 2 laban sa team ng Barangay Paubilyan. 1 minute go! Jansen Valencia pumanat ng tatuan. Lugod by Jansen, 55 against 52 score. At 3 puntos lamang po yung nilalamang ng Mainit Bullers. Foul against Wayne Jersey number 21. Pushing foul against Ahmad. Ahmad wearing jersey number 21. Warning for foul out. Warning for foul out against wearing jersey number 24. In penalty situation. .9 remaining time. Last 50.9 for this last quarter. Last 50.9. Last 50.9. The first free throw by Karandang. Lugod by Karandang. 3 points lang po. Nasa 3 puntos lang yung nilalamang ng mga taga-Barangay Mainit Bullers with 53 against 52 runner and 55. 50.9 seconds to go for this last quarter. Last in the final free throw by Karandang, wearing jersey number 10. Yes, sir. Good for 1 by Karandang. 48 seconds to go. Salis may tangan ng bola. Foul is going to be called against wearing jersey number 4. Blocking foul. Blocking foul on Rabalia. 2 personal fouls for Rabalia and both sides under penalty. Napakaganda at napakahusay na laban. 46.2 seconds sa natitirang oras. 56 against 52 score. Biglang 4 na. Nasa 4 na puntos na po yung kalamangan itong nasa team ng mga taga-barangay ng Mainit Bullers. Sa first free throw by Sales. Good for 1 by Sales. Babaan na naman sa 3 puntos ang kalamangan with 46.2 seconds to go. Hindi pwede magtiwala itong nasa team ng mga taga-barangay Mainit Bullers dahil specialty po ng mga taga-barangay sa Lugon yung ganitong naghahabol. Last night, ganyan yung ginawang lang for team ng District 1. 56-54, 2 points ang abante na lamang ng Mainit Bullers laban sa team ng Barangay sa Lugon. Ang makapigil hinigang bakbakan naman ngayon gabi para sa ating first game. Stepping out of bounds for Karandang number 49. Ball position third for team Barangay sa Lugon, Pino. Pagkakataong tumabla o lumamang yung team ng Barangay sa Lugon. 54-56 score. 39.2 seconds to go.
Reklamo sa Karanda, pagkatawad ko.
39.2 seconds remaining time. 24 seconds on the shot clock. Salis may tangan na bola. Sinsag yung move. And jumper by ang bola. Lingkod by ang bola. Finish the foul. May kakalagan ng foul mga kaibigan. Foul against wearing jersey number. Foul against wearing jersey number 02. Ondali. Ondali 2 personal fouls and both side penalty. What a nice and a very crucial basketball game. Sabi na, hindi pa tapos ang laban. 32.3 seconds to go, 56 against 50. 4 down score, 2 puntos ang abante. And 2 free throws coming up for Rampala para sa panabla. The silent assassin na first free throw. Unang tira may halong kaba. Hindi kumonekta mula kay Ampala. Nasa na final free throw may Ampala wearing jersey number 14. Let's take a look kung babasket yung last free throw by Ampala. Nasa na final free throw by Ampala. Ampala libre din. Rebound by Andali. We have only 28 seconds to go. May tahanang bola itong Rabalye. Rabalye, tinatry full team. Rabalye, nakuha. Johnson Valencia, 21 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. Wala na tayong shot clock mga kaibigan. Recover by Karandang. Karandang ngayon, hinaharas. Dito Akbar, we have only 12 seconds remaining time. Foul against wearing jersey number 4. Wearing jersey number 4, blocking foul against Ampala. Fouled out Ampala, having 5 fouls. Lalabas yung Ampala, may 5 pagkakasala. 11.8 seconds to go. Last 11.8 for this last quarter. 11.8, 56-54 score. Dalawang puntos lamang po yung inaabante dyan. Yung mga taga-barangay Mainit Coolers laban po sa team ng barangay sa Laguna Pino. Yung makapigil hiningang bakbakan Karandang. First free throw, no good by Karandang. Talagang napapatayo yung ibang nakaupo. 11.8 seconds to go. Last na pang free throw by Karandang. Dalawang puntos lang yung nilalamang. 11.8. Last 11.8 for this ball game. Last na pang free throw. Moving in the corner. Offensively recoverable. 7 seconds to go. Foul against wearing jersey number 11, Rossi. Holding foul, penalty situation rep. 6.6 seconds remaining. 6.6. 56-54 score. 56-54. Eh, mukhang magandang laban talaga ito. Sino kayang tatapusin at sino kayang magtatapos ng maganda ngayong gabi for this 6.6 seconds remaining ng ating fourth quarter. 2 for 1 by Rabalye. Last in a final free throw by Rabalye. 6.6 seconds remaining time. 6.6 seconds tayo. Rabalye, good movement. Time out. Time out for Team Barangay sa Laguna Pino. Tama mga kaibigan, 14 lang sa lugar. Back to ball game, 6.6 seconds to go for this last in the final frame. 58-54 score. 4 big points by your team. Barangay Mainit Coolers. Sino kayang kakanta ng happy birthday and going for a championship game ngayong gabi? Yan po abangan natin mga kaibigan with 6.6 seconds na natitirang oras sa ating bakbakan. 6.6 seconds to go. Just mark going for Johnson. The 3-pointer.